Last month, I climbed the third highest mountain in the Philippines, the Mount Pulag. And this month, I booked a quad peak day hike at Alang Salaksak, Nueva Ecija. Tara, hayaan niyo kong ibahagi ang experience ko sa inyo. Before the hike, I worked first as a guest judge in PCSO. I already brought all things I needed for hiking. After work, I immediately went to MOA to charge my devices at Starbucks because our pickup time was 6 p.m. and hindi ako nakapagdala ng power bank. When I got inside the van, hindi na ako nakapag-take ng video kasi nga I saved the battery of my phones and cameras since we would be in the mountain the whole day. At 3:11 a.m., we arrived at Novelco in Nueva Ecija to recharge and condition ourselves. In short, kumain kami ng almusal. By 4:32 a.m., we reached the Barangay Cayapa to use the restroom and change clothes because we would leave all our belongings bago kami magsimula sa pag-akyat. Do you know what my mom told me before I left the house? Anak, mag-iingat ka. That's why I ended up riding on the top of the jeep. Kahit pwede naman talaga sa loob sumakay. Meron nakasakbit sa delegate.
Yung kinakabahan ka. Ano yung beach?
Wali mo malaglag ka, tapos nakulma ka. Tapos natawanan ka. Ganda nga sa harap po. The road was scary and full of cliffs, but you would still enjoy it because the view was incredibly beautiful. Then, headed to the barangay, the jump-off point of Alang Salaksak. As soon as we arrived, we were given an orientation to learn everything about the mountain. After that, we immediately started our ascent. Nauli na yung mga kasama ko, guys. We're going to Mount Tugel.
first summit. Today, akit kami ng first summit. And we are in Alang Salaksak. Ay, more hingal kasi yung unang akyat pag ganun. So, hingal ka na agad. Pero dito naman, straight na. So, makakapag-rest na yung lungs. Yeah. And that is the view. Mamaya I will remove my jacket kasi I feel mainit later. So, kita-kits.
Tara,
Look,
tara na.
so cute. Hi!
Tara ulo.
Hello! Oh, huwag kang magalit. Hindi magagalit yan. Assault. Kita niyo yan guys. Bangin. Si Macy. Patay na.
Then we reached the iconic post spot, the fallen tree. Kuya Judan set up the drone for some shots and tested the view and camera angle. And of course, bilang isang bida-bida, I went first. The result? It's already edited and posted on my TikTok and Facebook account.
Pause, pause, pause. Oh. Ah! Kulit mo!
Ang dami naman basher sa comment section.
Pak! Sino ka dyan? Pakita mo talaga kahit
Tawag ka sa drone! Kamay! Taas kamay!
Sino ka dyan? Miss Universe?
Jump shot daw, jump shot. Isa pa. Magbibigyan siya. Sana po. Balik mo ka.
Cut. Take two.
Wait lang, ayusin ko lang.
Huwag ka magpapahulog, be. Tandaan mo, di ka nagpaalam.
Close up daw po. Tanggalin mo yung salamin sa ulo mo.
Parang nasa beach eh. Gago.
Next.
Doon kami pupunta guys sa bato. Kaso yung dadaanan namin. Pakalayo pa. Yung mga kasama ko. Wala na sila. The view, guys, is really beautiful. Look. Diba? The consequence is ang init. Nakakapagod ang taas. Oh, mamamatay na to. So, we're here na. Almost there in Summit Beach. Pero luckily, merong ano dito, view ng pahinga. Mga kalabaw. Oh, tara, picture tayo dito. Yes. Oh. Sarap, guys. Ang ganda talaga, ang lakas ng hangin, ang sarap. I'm so proud of myself. Tingnan mo, nababa ko yan, oh. Gamit yan. Hi, baka. Hello, baka. Nakikibaka ka ba? Doon na kami, guys, sa second summit. And nakakapagod. Meron pa kami dalawang summit pa. Puro kami picture, umabot na kami ng tanghal. Bangin, pag nalaglag ka dyan, kwento ka na lang. I am really grateful to the Lord na nasilayan ko yung ganitong kagandang view. Kung nakikita nyo lang talaga to, guys, sa naked eye nyo, super ganda nito. Pero siyempre, sa register ng camera, di lahat maganda. Shoes. Bali, nagubad na ako ng sando ng jacket kasi uminit na yung pakiramdam ko. Though malamig yung hangin, pero yeah, ang init, mas nakakapagod. So bali 11 kami, tatlo na kami ni kuya, dalawa na kami na dito sa taas, the rest is wala pa. Nasaan sila? Baka nakuha na sila ng wrong turn. Charot. Guys, I finally made it to the fourth summit of Alang Salaksak. Look, amazing, guys. Give up ka na ba? Meron ito, sip-sip ka dito.
May dalagyanan ako.
The lesson I learned, patience is power. Reaching 4 summits in one day taught me that great things take time. Every steep trail reminded me that progress may be slow, but steady step still move me forward.
Ilan tayo? Sa ulo daw.
When my legs tired after the second or third peak, I realized that our limits are often mental. Hiking multiple summits showed me that we are capable of more than we believe. After finishing 4 summits, I felt thankful for my health, for safety, for strength, and for the opportunity to experience nature. 4 peaks in one day is not easy, but growth never happened in comfort. The hardship build character, sabi nga nila. Thank you JD Wonders, Kuya Jadon, Kuya Jason, and Ate Ish. Sa uulitin,